What's good, my friend? Welcome to another video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted and I talk bass. This channel is all about really digestible tips and tricks, tutorials for folks who want to get better at playing bass. My opinion is that one of the best ways to do that is by learning real songs and digging into the crates when you have to find that inspiration. So today I'm talking about Bassida, or Ida Nielsen, played bass with Prince. Still got a really solid solo career as a bass player. Man, on her first record, when she was still going under the moniker Bassida, this is way back in the day, she had this tune called Ready for This Thing. Now, I think that she did a tutorial on this herself, and if she did, I'll link it down below. If I can find it, I'll link it down before. I know that she did it. This is a really cool lick, man, a cool groove. I love the way that she uses triplets, and you know, she puts triplets in places where you really wouldn't expect them. So you know, her playing, her style is just really rhythmic, and maybe she'll see this and she'll be like, yeah man, that's cool, or she'll be like, no man, you tripping. But either way, use this to go check out her music and the song Ready for This Thing. So this is where I'm hearing most of it. There's one rhythm that I'm not completely hitting right, but that's the first part of it. Now the cool thing about this starts on the and of one, E flat, G, with a bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 1. I'm gonna do that real slow. 1. Let me add the next part of that idea. 2, 3, 4, 1. Right? What is that? E flat? The trill. That's the rhythm right there that I I'm not 100% sure on. I think I've seen her do it a couple of different ways. Let me play it the way that I originally learned it. Something to that effect. I would love to get Ida to, you know what? I'm gonna just put that in the atmosphere. I know some folks that know her. I'm gonna just try to set that up. It's done. I'm gonna just try to set that up. Those are not my socks right there. That's my jacket. About to feel like, wow, that's cheesy. But anyway, so like with all my videos, what I really hope to do is get this to, if you haven't heard of Ida, check her out. She is amazing, and just a really unique way of approaching thumping and plucking. She does it, I don't know, man, it's just different. It's different, and it's super tasty. You know, she's definitely got all the old school ingredients, obviously the ingredients that Prince laid on her, but she's got her own thing. She was dope way before the Prince thing. So that is my interpretation of Ready for This Thing by Ida, and check it out. If you like this kind of content, subscribe. If you don't subscribe. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. More videos there, right there. Subscribe button right there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. 2 fingers.